loves, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I want to share with you how to keep your home tidy and functional at all times. Many homemakers feel that even though so much is done in a day, there is nothing to show for it. There is a lot to be done each day, I admit, and taking care of the home is just one of those many responsibilities. Like most of you, my life too revolves around wearing many hats. As a wife, mom, and daughter, I have different needs to cater to: cooking, cleaning, entertaining, and also the general home management duties. And then Raveena at home takes up time too. I love everything that I do, and therefore sometimes it is tiring to keep up with all the things I want to accomplish in a day. If you feel the same, then this video is for you. The ultimate answer to juggling all these tasks is to stay organized. And that's what makes everything else happen. The best solution to keeping organized is having a plan, or better yet, a planner. I use and recommend this planner because I have combined my struggles as a homemaker and my knowledge as a home management consultant to plan out a set of tasks for each day. This assists the homemaker to stay on track while still having time for other interests and for work. In today's video, I want to share how I manage my day as a homemaker by using this planner. For those of you who are not familiar with this planner, every day we work on a different zone of the house, so each space gets sufficient care and love. It's also easier to focus on one zone each day. I personally find it less tiring than moving from one room to another through the day. Today, as it is Monday, we will be working on Zone 1, which is the kitchen, dining room, and pantry. I always like starting my cleaning for the week in the kitchen. After doing the bare minimum on Sunday, we like entertaining on Sundays, so the day goes by preparing and cooking and entertaining. And in general, our Sundays are centered around family activities. After the weekend, it's time to clean up. Monday is meant to get into the kitchen and get it back to order. So let's get into it. Now, from the planner, I have a fixed list of chores I need to do. These include my dailies, which are in most areas of the home. And then there are these chores, which need to be done today, Monday, 17 January. I work throughout the day, but pretty slowly, stopping to do other stuff and then coming back here. My housework is basically divided into 3 blocks: morning, after lunch, and after dinner. So it's morning, and I'm here in the kitchen starting on breakfast. First things first, I need my cup of tea to get me going. As you can see, there are overnight meal and snack dishes in the sink because the dishwasher was already running when my boys ate in the AMs. My son has just submitted his thesis, wish him luck by the way, and he has been eating at all odd hours. I just let him be for now as I knew it's a stressful time for him. I hope that's going to stop now and he will resume better habits. Now that the dishwasher has been unloaded, I can start refilling it with breakfast dishes and then these dishes from the sink, and I need to hand wash the frying pan and pot. Then it's time to collect the laundry and get the washing machine to run. I know many people like to get started with the washing as soon as they start their day. That's great if you want to catch the sun, but it works better for us after breakfast as everyone has gotten ready, eaten, and left for work. So while the washer is doing its job, I can get on with mine. There are many ways to clean your oven. You can use store-bought cleaners, or you can use a mixture of baking soda and water, or you can alternate. It's all about what works best for you. If you do it regularly, then this task should not take more than a few minutes. You will want to take out the racks and wash those separately. The glass door, well, you can use baking soda again, but I just use some dishwashing liquid on the inside and glass cleaner on the outside. And I'm moving on to the dining chairs now. Keeping the chairs clean is simple enough, but it is cleaning the table that is really difficult because of the sheer weight of the table and the glass on it. Today I'm just going to spray the dining chairs with this Febreze spray. This will help to sanitize the cushions, and then I use Pledge for the wooden chair frames. If you do tasks along the way, you will be surprised how many tasks you can tick off without even realizing how productive you have been. I just finished neatening this drawer by spending about an extra minute on it while putting the cutlery away. I wash this sink very often. After each time I cook, actually, little particles of food need to be removed to ensure the sink is nice and shiny for anyone washing their hands after a meal. Next, I take the clothes out of the washing machine and fill the dryer. During the rainy season, we hardly get a chance to air dry our laundry, so we are forced to use the dryer. I make it a habit to soak my kitchen towels at night, so all I need to do in the morning while I'm still in the laundry room is to rinse the towels. Since today requires us to bleach kitchen linen, I will soak these dirty towels in some water, superwash, and a little bleach. I like using hot water because it loosens the grime faster and rinsing becomes easier. I'm all about doing things quickly. Now that I'm done with everything I need to do for the morning, and I do have some time to spare, it's time to check the focus tasks for this month. In this section, there is a monthly focus to get decluttering and reorganizing and all the other little projects done. Each month, the planner focuses on a different zone, and I make a separate checklist to work on the area of the month. These are the decluttering, organizing goals that I have, and also the one-off tasks that need attending to in this zone. As I said, I make a list of all the tasks that need doing over and above my cleaning routine. I write them down in order of importance depending on what I feel will have the most impact. Since I have no idea how much time or energy I will have on any given day, I don't want to overplan my day with another fixed task. So I like to keep it open. I do push myself to complete my daily checklist, but not the focus zone list. I spread that over the entire month. Whenever I have some time to spare, I take a look at the list and decide what I can manage or what I feel excited to do. Today I have about 20 minutes, so I guess I can tackle this and this. This drawer needs some serious organization. I recently bought some new serving spoons, but I haven't had the time to declutter the old ones. So I'm going to tackle that today. And by today, I mean now. I have emptied the drawer completely, and I'm going to sort through all these items. Making categories helps you see how many you have and decide how many you need. It's like taking inventory. Okay, so these need a new home, and these actually do have a home, and that home is definitely not in this drawer. These organizers fit the drawer just great, but they're no longer suitable as my new spoons don't all fit. I'll shop for those and I'll share a pic with you on Instagram when I reorganize these with more suitable organizers. Another thing I want to do is tighten some of these knobs. I keep a toolbox here under the sink for easy access. I can get to it as soon as something needs doing instead of putting it off. I'm also going to take advantage of my toolbox being out, and I'm going to fix these new organizers. We are currently refreshing our pantry, so that needs some serious dedicated time and plenty of teamwork. So I've just moved this to this list instead. With this kind of open-ended list, you can add as needed, and you can also skip any tasks that you're not motivated to do or you don't have enough time for. You know it's there, you won't forget, and you can come back to it when the time is right. That is when you have more time to spare, or you can get the help you need to get it done more quickly. So it's after lunch now, and I'm ready to move on with the tasks I didn't do in the morning. First, I'm going to empty the dryer and fold. I like folding as I empty the dryer because the clothes are not so crinkled, and I also love the feel of warm laundry. I'm also going to put the ironing on the top of the dryer, and I will take these towels up. After dinner, I do all the chores that I saved to do once at night. That's one aspect of the planner I have maintained year after year, and that is flexibility. There is no fixed time or any time constraint. Only you know how to work the list through the day to best suit yourself and your home. I personally do not like fixed timings for my chores. I prefer to keep these flexible so I can work on them depending on what life throws at me that particular day. I do, however, have a flow of work chart which I feel works best for me, and for those of you who are interested, you can download a copy from my blog. I'll leave you the link in the description box below. And that is how I spend parts of my day cleaning to ensure that I stay on top of my home management. I would love to know how you plan your decluttering and organization projects and what other methods work best for you. Leave me a comment below so we can all share your great ideas. I hope this video has been helpful to you and has motivated you to do some cleaning. And until the next video, this is Raveena saying happy homemaking.